Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Gmail to zip. Search on Google Recovery Tools Email Backup Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Select Gmail. Enter Gmail credentials. Click on Login. Check the folders that you want to convert. Select Zip. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Converted zip file.